What's up, y'all? So this is the start of my birthday vlog. As you can see, I'm tired. Today is Sunday the 26th. My birthday is tomorrow. Not really sure what I'm gonna do today, but my sister did my nails for me since all the nail shops are closed. So I'm debating if I want to do my hair tonight or tomorrow morning, but I'm not sure. I'll decide when. But I'll check back in with y'all when I do something. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment on this video, and yeah.
You know you ain't pay for this.
Good morning, y'all. It's my birthday. Ignore my ears because they were hurting from being inside of my scarf. But I'm just waiting for class to start. And then I'm probably gonna get up, shower, and get ready. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for class. Let me see. My sister's cat in the window. Like, she don't got no sense. But yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and put some clothes on. Nothing too like extra since I can't go nowhere. And take some pictures, and I'm just take y'all through the day. It ain't really gonna be much to vlog because we can't really do nothing. But yeah, I did my hair last night. I'm gonna make that a whole separate video. We just gonna go with it, what the day brings us. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all.
Wait. Is this for your vlog?
Yes.
Stop! I look nasty.
Yes. Well, no, because I might be ashy.
You know you ain't pay for this. 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 You know you ain't pay for this.
No, baby.
My camera all foggy. Hold on, let me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rescue Show.